Sometimes a hug is all you can do for someone during a tragedy. This embrace, of course, captured after today's shooting. You don't need to say anything about that image. Let me start by saying, though, hug your own kids tonight. I wish I was home right now to hug mine, because there are 10 families that will not be doing that.
That's right.
Dr. Greg Jantz is with us to help us process everything that's happening. And one thing that we were all thinking about is talking to our kids about this. When they come to us tomorrow or the next day and they've seen these images, they've heard the story, and they say, I'm scared to go to school. What do we say to them?
Marty, it's a difficult day. I have kids too. Tonight at our dinner table, I asked the question. I have a 7th grader and I have a junior in high school. And I asked the question, did you hear what happened today? And I had them tell me what they knew about it. So if you have a pre-adolescent, ask them what they've heard. Be careful about giving them too much information. Sometimes we want to overcomfort too fast. So go slow, but gather information. And then ask them, what do they think about this? Let them talk about it. That's the big thing. Let them do more of the talking. If they say, is school going to be safe? The answer is yes.
Yes.
Yes, and I am here for you. You mentioned about a hug. Always have physical closeness with the kids when there's something traumatic. Have couch time with them. We call it shoulder time. And just be close to them. Listen to them.
Let them know that you're there.
Yep.
How about our own emotions? Because I think that we're going to be coping with dealing with all this as well.
Right.
And they pick up on those things.
They do. So if you're full of anxiety and you're saying a lot of things and you're having another conversation with another adult, they're hearing that and picking up on that. Be careful. Your kids are the sponge. They're going to absorb your anxiety. So what I want you to do is be aware of your own emotions, but don't debrief with your own kids. Debrief with other adults.
Yeah, close the door, do your crying.
Do it, yes.
Yeah, not in front of the kids. We want answers, and I'm not sure that we'll ever get them, but the shooter, what causes somebody to do this?
Well, there is such a thing as a psychopathic personality, but usually we find it's a male, 16 to 24 are the common ages, and generally they feel a great betrayal and they're seeking revenge. They've been isolated, but we're noticing more and more with school shootings, and never to be treated as normal, that they actually leave a lot of clues. Social media gives us a lot of clues. We were seeing this with the most recent shootings. And
he was on social media. All right, Dr. Jantz, we appreciate your time tonight. Thank you. We're all going to need some help in the days and weeks and probably years to come.
Absolutely.